Now we're going to start working on the necklace by connecting the flower pieces together. Okay, you take your looped head pin and you take your crystal and you insert the crystal onto the pin like this. Now, the idea is to create another loop on the other side of the crystal, and in order to do this, you take your flat nose pliers and grasp the pin firmly and allow about a little less than a centimeter of space, probably like half a centimeter. You want it to end up being the same length as this little loop here. And in order to do that, you have to take the pin and bend it at a right angle, like this. So this is the first stage of creating the loop. And then, with your wire cutters, you want to cut off the excess wire so that you have a right angle, and that the height from the end of the crystal to the end of the pin is the same as the length the other way. You cut it like so. Okay. So then you take your needle nose pliers and you grasp the end of the wire very firmly, and using your wrist you make a very slow movement in order to make it into a loop, just twisting it round so you end up with a loop like this. Loops take quite a bit of practice, but they're an essential skill in jewellery making. So if at the first time you don't succeed, then keep trying until you get the best loops you can make.